Assalamu alaikum ji. This is Dr. Atar from Tracks. So today we are going to hold a meeting on emotional intelligence with our business coaches, the two business coaches who are going to conduct this workshop at Tracks. So Tracks stands for Training, Resourcing and Consulting Services. This company has been established recently by myself and my partner, co-founder, Sayyid Abdullah Bukhari, who is also the owner and chairman of Enriches Investment Group. So being part of the corporate sector, we decided to launch a series of workshops and training programs to help corporate sector, public sector, private sector, and third sector of Pakistan to develop the necessary skills in their HR, in their employee base, so that they can work towards improving the effectiveness and efficiency of their employees and delivering more value to their clients. तो ये है जी थोड़ा सा कंपनी का इंट्रोडक्शन. You can visit our website tracks.com.pk for more details on our three domains, which is personal development, professional development and organizational development. आज मेरे साथ हैं फरीद कुरैशी साहब. He is a PhD candidate at LAMS. He has done his MS from University of Manchester, and he's in the last stages of defending his PhD dissertation. इसके साथ अलावा मेरे साथ सैयदा आयशा हैं, और शी इज़ ऑल्सो PhD candidate at Lahore College for Women University, and she is a clinical psychologist. Both of them are my team members, and they are the business coaches or the lead coaches for this EI workshop, which is going to be spread over 2 days. So let's start on the first question for today, which is to Mr. Fareed. Mr. Fareed, would you explain to our viewers and audience why is emotional intelligence important for individuals?
Sir, thank you very much. सबसे पहले तो it's a great opportunity to convey our message. So emotional intelligence, we are social beings. हम बचपन से ये पढ़ते आए हैं कि जी हम लोग जो हैं वो social beings हैं. So social का मतलब ये है कि we have to interact with people. We have to communicate with people. We can't live in isolation. We cannot exist in isolation. So वो जो इंटरपर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन है उस पर बहुत ज़्यादा असर पड़ता है हमारी इंट्रापर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन का भी, कि हम अपने साथ किस तरह से बिहेव करते हैं, हम अपने आप को कैसे देखते हैं. सो इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस की खूबसूरती ये है कि वो इन दोनों जो एस्पेक्ट्स हैं हमारी लाइफ के उनको कवर करता है. ठीक है, उसके जो कंपोनेंट्स हैं उसके अंदर दो जो हैं वो हमारी अपनी ज़ात से रिलेटेड हैं कि वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड आवर इमोशंस, एंड सेकेंडली वी हैव टू रेगुलेट आवर इमोशंस. और वो जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग और रेगुलेशन है नेचुरली उसका असर पड़ेगा ऑन द क्वालिटी ऑफ इंटरपर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन दैट वी हैव विद अदर पीपल, एंड दैट इज व्हाट दिस इज आउट. उसमें सोशल स्किल्स हैं, उसके अंदर एम्पैथी आ जाती है, हाउ वेल वी अंडरस्टैंड अदर पीपल. सो मेरा ख्याल है कि इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस को किसी भी तरीके से हम अंडर एस्टिमेट नहीं कर सकते.
Very good, ji. Very comprehensive answer, and covering both the domains of a person's life, professional and personal domain. I think exactly this is what I was thinking when you were taking on the question. I move on to the second question, and this question is directed to you, Aisha. How will the emotional intelligence program help any person improve his or her career or company?
क्योंकि we are social people and हमारी social cognition play a very, very significant role. So no matter what field you are in or organization that you are running, having a very sharp and a very quick thinking mindset is very essential, I believe. जिस तरह का era जिसमें हम अपनी जिंदगी गुजार रहे हैं. So if you really want to improve your your performance and as well as your employees' performance, and you want to really boost your earning and your professional growth, I think this is one of the very essential to understand your emotions and how you can positively regulate your emotions of yourself, and at the same time how you can manage the emotions of other people. It's a very, very powerful thing to do. So the focus is to enhance your social cognitions, your to sharpen your focus and improve your interpersonal skills, as also said by Dr. Fareed. So if you want me to share your personal experience, मेरा जो थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस रहा लोगों के साथ काम करने का, इंटरेक्ट करने का, ट्रेनिंग का, काउंसलिंग का, विद इन बहुत सारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में मैंने ट्रेनिंग्स प्रोवाइड की, मेडिकल डॉक्टर्स के साथ भी मेरी गपशप रही, पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट में जाके मैंने ट्रेनिंग्स प्रोवाइड की। मैंने देखा है कि उन सब लोगों के अंदर 3 बेसिक एलिमेंट्स दे वांट टू इनहांस, जिसपे वो चाहते हैं कि उनकी एक मास्टरी हो, वो इनहांस कर सके अपने अंदर भी और लोगों की, यानी कि जिनके साथ वो एज अ काम कर रहे होते हैं, एज अ टीम काम कर रहे होते हैं, या किसी भी किसी लीडरशिप रोल में होते हैं। और वो 3 बेसिक एलिमेंट्स क्या हैं? नंबर 1, they want to have this ability to influence, to convince. Number 2, they want to have the more control over their impulses, their reactions. And the third one is the most important thing, they want to regulate their emotions. कि लोगों को नजर ना आए कि if they're feeling some disturbances, so they want to regulate their emotions. So these are the 3 elements which are also very core factors जो आपको जो respect भी दिलवाती है in your professional area, also in your personal area. So no matter what field or organization that you were running, so this workshop, this training is basically is a customized to meet the unique needs, the mental needs of you and your employees, that could actually help in the improvement of their attention, the decision making, in their emotional regulations, whether at corporate level or at their interpersonal level.
Okay, great answer. So I think this question, the reply to this question encompasses the entire gamut of advantages which a company or a person in his or her career can draw by attending this workshop, and how the company in fact can benefit in terms of its bottom line results, in terms of its effectiveness, in terms of its performance. I move to my third question, and again, Aisha, I would like you to answer this, which is about how does a person know, an employee or a person know that he or she is fit for this program, or the program is right for him or her? Yes.
So as I said earlier, okay, no matter what demographic that you belong to, what profession you belong to, whether you're running a business or, sorry, am I audible? I'm sorry.
Yes, please go ahead.
Am I audible?
Yes. So this is not a hard question to answer if you are asking yourself even. So you need to be emotionally intelligent if you want to sail through smoothly through organizational politics, and you want to keep your impulses under control, and you want to regulate yourself. And I think very aptly answered by you. My last question to you, Mr. Fareed, is regarding the mutually exclusive nature of practicality and emotions. Do you believe that emotions and practicality are mutually exclusive as generally believed by us, or is there some other kind of relationship?
राइट सो बहुत दफा हम ये बात सुनते हैं, और खास तौर पे ये जो परसेप्शन है, दिस इज रीजन इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ decision making. Whenever somebody has to make a decision, no matter what the scale of that decision is, usually people say that प्लीज प्रैक्टिकल होके सोचो, इमोशनल होके ना सोचो. ठीक है, सो उससे एक परसेप्शन ये बिल्ड होती है जिसका आपने भी जिक्र किया, एज इफ के दे कैन नॉट कोएग्जिस्ट. हालांकि अगेन वही बात है कि हम सोशल बीइंग्स तो हैं, हम इमोशनल बीइंग्स हैं. तो हम अपने अंदर से उन इमोशंस को टोटली सप्रेस या रूल आउट नहीं कर सकते. तो
Yeah.
अगर हम बिल्कुल ही प्रैक्टिकल होके डिसीजन कर रहे हैं या बिल्कुल इमोशनल होके कर रहे हैं, तो दैट इज नॉट अ होलिस्टिक अप्रोच टूवर्ड्स डिसीजन मेकिंग. मैं एक छोटी सी एग्जांपल देता हूँ आपको कि इफ समबडी हैज गॉट 2 जॉब ऑफर्स, इन जॉब ए ग्रेट सैलरी, ठीक है, और जॉब बी जो है उसके अंदर वो काम है जो उसको पसंद है, उसकी एक इंटरनल सेटिस्फेक्शन के लिए वो चीज बड़ी उसको फील होगी. नाउ व्हाट वुड ही और शी डू? ठीक है, अब अगर हम इमोशनल होके देखें, बिल्कुल ही इमोशनल होके देख लें, तो हो सकता है एक्साइटमेंट ये हो कि यार सैलरी बहुत अच्छी है, बस ठीक है, लेट्स जंप टू दैट जॉब. ठीक है, लेकिन उसके अंदर जो प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट्स हैं वो ये होंगे कि भाई सैलरी तो बहुत अच्छी है, ठीक है, लेकिन क्या वो काम ऐसा ना हो कि 2 महीने के बाद आप उधर बिल्कुल सर पकड़ के बैठे हो कि यार सैलरी का मैं क्या करूं. सो ये वो दैट दिस इज वन ऑफ दोज न्यूमरस सिचुएशंस के जहां पे आपको उन दो के दरमियान में यू हैव टू क्रिएट अ बैलेंस बिटवीन द इमोशंस एंड द practical factors. So I strongly believe that they have to coexist, and we need to be emotionally intelligent so that we can create that balance between those two.
Great response. Last few seconds to each one of you before we finish this important webinar for our clients, for our audience is, Fareed, why do you think people should come and join this program at Trax? What is different which we can offer? And the same question for Aisha. So few seconds with you, that what value are you going to offer to your clients through this program?
There are many institutions all around who are conducting these trainings on emotional intelligence. There are a number of people who are doing that. But I think the uniqueness that the participants will experience here are those experiences. ठीक है, हम सिर्फ ये बात नहीं कर रहे कि इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस ये है या वो है. ये जितनी भी बात हो रही है ये सारी पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस की बेस पे हो रही है. एंड आई थिंक पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से बढ़ के कोई वैल्यूएबल चीज नहीं होती जो हम पार्टिसिपेंट्स के साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं. किताबें पढ़ के तो कोई भी करवा देगा ना, जिसने थोड़ा सा पढ़ा. सो आई थिंक वो जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो उनको कहीं पे नहीं मिलेगा.
Okay.
And if you want to really increase your decision-making abilities and you want to enhance your performance, I think this is the best training workshop for you, because this training workshop would consist of many activities, customized activities to meet the very unique needs of any employee or any organization. And that will consist of many practical exercises at the same time, case studies, discussions to stimulate your social cognitions.
Great. So viewers, thank you so much for tuning in and getting an idea of how this emotional intelligence workshop is relevant for you, what value it can deliver to you and your company, and how it can eventually benefit your effectiveness, your efficiency, your performance, and आपकी overall जो एक personal और professional दोनों domains के अंदर जो आपकी requirements हैं to regulate your impulses, to control your impulses, to regulate your behaviors, and act intelligently in different situations. इसके बारे में I think it's important कि आप ये सारी चीज़ों को aspect को देखते हुए ये decision लें. We at Trax are very hopeful that you're going to join this life-changing experience. You're going to discover yourself. You're going to discover your strengths and weaknesses, your the way you act in different situations, and how you should act or modify your behaviors, your overall attitude, your package, while interacting with others in your private space, personal space, and in your professional space. Thank you so much, and we look forward to hosting you at Trax.